Hey everyone, welcome to Market Mindset Conversations. This is Paul, aka Transformer 001 in the Discord, member of New Wall Street, and we are here to take a deep dive into the psychology, the strategy, and the discipline of trading. Now, I'm not here by myself, but you're going to meet my partner here, and we're going to share insights, stories, and also lessons that I picked up along the trading journey.
And I'm Pat. I go by Sensei Pat in the Discord, and I'm ready to explore the mindset needed to succeed in the unpredictable world of trading with my partner here, Paul. So whether you're a newbie or you're one of the OGs in the Discord that been here for a while, we got something for you today, and we're gonna try to run this going forward.
Absolutely. So that's exactly it too. Look, you guys, think of this as your space for honest discussions about what it really takes, not just to win in trades, but also to improve your trading mindset.
Correct. So, grab your coffee, your charts, your laptop, and really even just your curiosity, and let's get into it today. But today's topic is a big one. The market rewards preparation, not predictions. This is an idea that's foundational for any trader that wants to stop guessing and start growing.
Yeah. So let's get into it. Pat, we're diving into that topic you just said hits home. The market rewards preparation, not predictions. Okay. And how often do we see people trying to outguess, in your professional opinion, in your experience, how often do we see people trying to outguess the market instead of putting in the work ahead of time?
All the time, all the time. It's like a rite of passage for new traders, right? You got to go through those growing pains. But here's the thing: guessing is not a strategy. Preparation is. So if you don't have a plan before you click that buy or sell button, before you execute that trade, you're basically just gambling at that point.
Exactly. Exactly. You are basically just gambling at this point. So I think what we need to emphasize is that preparation isn't just about knowing technical setups or watching the news. It's about building a mindset that trusts the process. All right. Now, you got to know your goals. You got to know your risk tolerance. And you got to also know your exit strategy before you even think about placing a trade.
For real. I mean, that's real talk right there. And that part of preparation is accepting that the market is unpredictable, completely unpredictable. You never know what it's going to do. The market can start up one day and end down, but it doesn't owe you anything, and it definitely doesn't care about your predictions. But if you're prepared, if you've done your homework, then you can adapt no matter what the market throws at you.
Yeah, absolutely. I like how you said that the market doesn't owe you anything. And that is absolutely right. And adaptability is what separates the pros from the amateurs. Okay. Very simple. Adaptability is what separates them. And I always tell people, don't focus on being right. Okay. Focus on being ready. Two different worlds, both impactful, but focus on being ready. And when you're ready, you can pivot. That is the thing. If the trades go in your favor, great. You ride it out. However, if it doesn't, you already got a plan to cut your losses.
And let's not forget, preparation isn't about the charts or your strategy. It's about preparing your emotions as well. If
That
you're
part.
not mentally ready,
That
even
part.
the best prepared plan can fall apart at any given time. So you got to make sure you're calm. You got to make sure you're disciplined. You got to be willing to follow through with your original plan or that plan that you try to revert to after you pivot.
I got you, man. So, um, shoot, Pat, I don't know what else to say, man, because I couldn't have said it better. But I think, what comes up for me is that the market rewards those who respect it. The R word. All right. Those who respect it. When you come prepared, you're not just setting yourself up for better trades. You're setting yourself up for longevity in the world of trading, longevity in this game.
Couldn't have said it better. I mean, the guys that really do this thing, for a professional, means to say in the market, longevity is the key. That's how they've been able to sustain in this market. But yeah, you said it great. So for all the listeners out there who are trying to predict the market, stop trying to predict the market. You know what it's going to
Stop
do.
it.
Start
Stop it.
preparing for what you will do when the market moves, and that's where the real edge is.
Absolutely. And that's back to the key takeaway. Okay. Preparation is power and the market rewards it. All right. So going back to the original premise, I want to bring it up and make sure I can read it right. Okay. The market rewards preparation, not predictions. All right, we want to let that sink in. And what pops up for me as I do my final thought of the day is not getting too high or too low. Okay. Things are going to happen in the market that you cannot predict. And when they do, there is a innate desire to want to move with the emotions, right? You get a little nervous, you get a little FOMO, whatever the case may be. But if you understand about not getting too high, too low, all right, you understand how not to get caught up in the behavior that follows a lot of traders' emotions. If we can separate ourselves from the behavior that came from emotion, then, you know what I'm saying, that just sets us up to be in a place that's always comfortable, always prepared to pivot, you know. And like I always say, quitting while you're ahead is not the same as quitting. Pat, what you got for us?
Absolutely. Like you said,
Mm-hmm.
know when to take those wins. Take those wins. You know, a win is a win. It might be 20%, it might be 15%, whatever your goal is. But at the end of the day, make sure that you are prepared for the unexpected. The market is going to move on its own terms. So have a plan for every scenario and be ready to pivot when necessary.
All right. Well, everyone, this again has been a market mindset conversation where we take a deep dive into the psychology, strategy, and discipline of trading. I'm Paul, and this is Pat, and we'll see you next time. All right. Stay tuned, everyone.